everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So I have saved my environment by reusing this page, by erasing the underlined things what my students had done with this reading. I will show you another reading how they have just underline the things. You should not do it, okay? And how I have saved, I have told you I am using this paper again, okay, by erasing the things. You can also give these printout pages to someone else who is going to give this IELTS exam. See this, how students are using it, how they are doing like underline the things. Every word they have done black. So what is the purpose of doing these kinds of underline the things? No, you should not do it like that. Otherwise we have to read it again, this paragraph. I will show you how to do underline and circle the things, so that some distinction should be there between your keyword. See how I have done it. Some important words you can do it circle, some another things you can do it underline. So every word we should not do underline, every word we should not do circle. Just make it a criteria for yourself. Is some name is there, city name is there, facts and figures are there, then you will be doing this, and person name you will be doing this, and any other reasons, any other important terminology if you have found, then you can do this. And if you say that some reasons are given, then you can do like that. So it will be, answers will get easily when you will find the locations for the second and third type of question. Now let's start this reading. For this reading we have two types of question. I will show it to you. First is list of headings, second one is complete the following summary using 2 words. Now first I will be doing my list of heading. I will not be doing this, but you can try it to do this, fill in the blanks first. So let's read all the headings one by one and try to understand its meaning and coming up with keywords. The positive correlation between climate and wealth word will be there, and some correlation, some relationship between be showing climate and wealth. Other factors besides climate that influence weather, okay, other factors are important, otherwise climate and wealth words were there in first heading also. Inspiration from reading a book, okay, reading a book. Other researchers results do not rule out exceptional cases, okay, other researchers results do not rule out exceptional cases, okay, some exceptional cases, other researchers result, their studies and all do not rule out any other exceptional cases. Different attributes towards Eurasia and Africa, different attributes like different results, so different thinking and all we can say about, sorry, this is not thinking and all, different attributes mean different features and something different between Eurasia and Africa. Low temperature benefits people and crops, okay, benefit people and crops. The importance of institution in traditional views, traditional word is important here. The spread of crops, crops in Europe, Asia and other places. The best way to use aid means help, confusions and exceptional. Now we have, within 30 seconds we have gone through all the headings. Now coming to a paragraph. So this kind of booklet you are getting it in your exam. So I am also doing it with booklet. So but yes, I will show you the question. I have to open my pin from the questions. So first reading passage, let's read it, then I will show you the options. Dr. William Master, now this is person's name, was reading a book, okay, about mosquito when inspiration. So reading a book word was there in headings. When inspiration struck, there was another anecdote about the great yellow fever hit Philadelphia. In master credits, this epidemic designated the city until the first frost came. The weather froze out insects, allowing Philadelphia to recover. Okay, so this person is reading a book about this and this. Inspiration word was also there. So we have got the clue. Now I am following keyword strategy. Now I will show you where they were reading a book. Inspiration from a reading a book. Inspiration is also there, reading a book is also there. So A number paragraph will go with third number. Okay, same counting we will be writing in answer sheet. Okay, now I have cut it from my list. Now coming to B number paragraph, let's read it. If weather could be the key of a city's fortune, if weather could be the key, master's thought means this person name, then why not two historical fortunes of nation, and could frost lie at the heart of one of the most enduring economic mysteries of all? Why are almost all the wealthy industrialized nations to be found at latitudes between this? After 2 years of research, he thinks that he has found a piece of puzzle. Masters and agricultural economics from this and this show that annual frost are among the factors that distinguish rich nations from poor ones. Their study is published. Okay, if weather could be the key to a city's fortune. Okay, master, why not to historical fortune? And frost means temperature, weather, heart of the economic mystery. So economic means, I think they are talking about wealth, economic, like see this economic mysteries of all. So if weather is also there, could be the key to a city's fortune, and in this line they are talking about economic also. Why are almost all the wealthy word is there, industrialized nations to be found at latitude near 40 degrees. So yes, definitely I can go with first number for B paragraph, first number. At the later stage is something better, if we have found for this heading we can change it. C number paragraph. The academics took two sets of information. Academics. Okay. The first was average income. Now again they have started talking about income for countries. The second, climate data from the university. I think now they are matching climate and wealth. Income is their wealth and climate. Directly it is given. They found a curious tally between the sets between these two things. Countries having 5 or more frosty days a month are uniformly rich. Those with fewer than 5 are impoverished. Okay, so authors calculate the 5-day figure is important. So definitely I will change my this thing. So this we will just write it with C paragraph, not with, this is wrong, not with B paragraph. It is clearly given. Okay, we will read the B paragraph again. Now D paragraph, coming to D paragraph. Masters stress that climate will never be overriding factor. So masters stress that climate will never be overriding factor. The wealth of nations is too complicated to be attributable to just one factor. Okay, so here this person is saying climate will not be overriding factor. The wealth of nations is too complicated to attribute to just one factor. So climate, he feels somehow combines with other factors. Other factors is also there. So let's read it. So where they were talking other factors. Other factors besides climate change influence wealth. So I will go second number with D number paragraph. I will just show it to you. So here I am writing it D number paragraph. Okay. So now next paragraph. So E number paragraph, let's read. This does not mean the he insists, he means same person, that tropical countries are beyond economic help and destined to remain penniless. Instead, richer countries should change the way in which foreign aid. So aid word was there, and help you can say. Instead of aid being geared towards improving governance, it should be spent on technology to improve agriculture too. Okay, so here somewhere, yes, here in this, the best way to aid. So this we will just write it with E number paragraph. Okay, so this also we have selected. Now coming to F number. So on the basis of keywords we can find the answers. Other minds have applied themselves to the split between poor and rich nations, citing anthropological, climate, zoological reasons for why temperature nations are the affluent. Okay, other minds also, other researchers also we can have. but we have to find something. Have applied themselves, split between poor and rich nations, citing climate, okay, are full of Aristotle observed that those who live in cold climate are full of spirit. Jared Diamond from the University of California pointed out in his book Guns Game Still that Eurasia is broadly aligned east-west, while Africa and Americans are aligned north-south. So in Europe, crops can spread quickly across the latitude because climates are similar. So here these two words were there. Different attributes between Eurasia and Africa. So I will tell you why. So I will select it with F number. This also we have selected because here they have started talking about Eurasia is broadly aligned east-west, and Africa and America are north-south. So in Europe this has happened, and in Africa and there this has happened. So that's why I have put this 5th number answer. See this. Words are properly matching. Other minds have applied themselves to the split. So nothing, we can't just say it like do not rule out exceptional cases. Now G number paragraph. John, you also do it with me. John Gullip and Jeffrey, two US economists, have also pointed out striking correlations between the geographical location of countries and their wealth. Again same thing they are saying. Geographical location, no, here geographical location they are talking. Anything is relating to geographical relation. No, here it is nothing. They note that tropical countries between this north and south of equator are nearly all poor. In an article for the Harvard International Review, they concluded that development surely seems to favor the temperate zone economies, especially those in the northern hemisphere, and those that have managed to avoid both socialism and ravages of war, but masters cautious against geographical determinism, the idea that tropical countries are beyond hope. Human health and agriculture can be made better. Okay, so what they are saying, this we have done, this we have done, this we have done, all three we have done. 4th is left, and this also we have done. Low temperature benefits, this also, this we have left. This traditional kind of thing is not there. The spread of the best way to this also. So it means we have left this 6th and 7th. So here many persons are there. Let's find it. These two persons have also pointed out striking correlation between these two locations. They have told something, and here this person is saying something different. So we can say other researchers' results do not rule out exceptional cases. 4th we will just point out, because I can say many persons are there, many researchers are there. So I will just mark it G number. Next paragraph is there. Let's read B paragraph again. Here we have come out weather could be the city's fortune, and they have talked about frost lie at the heart of one of most enduring economic mysteries of all. Why are almost all the wealthy industrialized nations? Okay, so till here we have read their studies published this month in the Journal of Economic Growth. The pair speculates that cold snaps have two main benefits. They freeze pests they could otherwise destroy crops, and also freeze organisms such as mosquito they carry. The result is agriculture abundance, a big workforce. So workforce is people and agriculture is crop. So here 4th number is, no sorry, this we have select. Low temperature benefits people and crops. Low temperature is frost. So initially they have started talking about frost lie. So that's why its answer is B number paragraph. Now fill in the blanks.